Hey friend, you may have just recently received an email or a letter. It's a letter via email, and it's from United Wholesale Mortgage. And if you did your mortgage with me and you're with United Wholesale Mortgage, it's possible that your servicing, you just got a letter about servicing and it said your servicing has transferred from United Wholesale Mortgage to United Wholesale Mortgage. And you might think that doesn't sound like a transfer at all. Well, it is and it's not. Okay, so you're still going to be making your payments to United Wholesale Mortgage. You're just getting switched to a new servicing company called BILT. It's BILT, and BILT is a rewards platform. What this is going to do is it's going to allow you to earn points every time you pay your mortgage. Kind of like when you use a credit card, you get points. Sometimes you get airline miles or other different things like that. Well, with this time, when you make an on-time mortgage payment, you get points through your mortgage statement. It'll give you points for travel, and it can be redeemed for dining and groceries and fitness and shopping or more. So if you pay with a bank account, like an automatic clearinghouse transfer, just you pay through your bank account, it's 100 BILT points. If you pay through a debit card, it costs you $9.95, but they give you 250 BILT points. If you pay with a credit card, you get a point for every $2 you spend, but it costs you 3%. So of course, not many people are going to be paying with their credit card. That's not typically the way you would want to pay your mortgage. If you pay with the BILT card, and I don't know what the BILT card is yet or what it's going to be, but it's going to give you 1.25 points per dollar, I think is the way it works. So they're going to incentivize you for paying through your BILT card. But again, the BILT card is something I don't know any details about yet. If you pay by check or phone, you're not going to get any points. So if you write a check, you put it in an envelope, you lick it, you mail it, you're not going to get any points for that. They're trying to automatically get you, or they're trying to get you off of paper, get you off of mail. It just involves humans and labor, and so they're trying to get you out of that and get you to pay for your mortgage some kind of digital way. And of course, the easiest way is to log into your bank and to set your bank up to send a payment every month. Most of the time, your bank is going to automatically send that payment through what's called the automatic clearinghouse, or the ACH transfer. And that will give you 100 BILT points for every payment. If you have any questions about this, you're confused, you're curious, I've told you about everything I know so far, but if I learn more, I'll tell you more. And just wanted to kind of alert you to, if you get that message, that email, that letter that says your servicing is changing from United Wholesale Mortgage to United Wholesale Mortgage, you'll know that's what this is all about. And you'll get registered in the coming days. I'll give you information about how to register soon.